Lissandra.
Hi, as I said before, I work at foundation communities, and I've been trying to think how can I summarize what we do in foundation communities, which is also a struggle among coworkers. Like people are never satisfied saying I work in a nonprofit, and the reason why foundation communities, I believe, is a nonprofit that fights poverty, but at such a systematic level that it's kind of hard to summarize in a single sentence. We do housing, we do healthcare, we do education, and even financial literacy, which is, I think, it's pretty cool because for systematic issues, you need systematic solutions. You cannot, I learned in my 2 months here that you cannot help somebody who is, let's say, extremely in debt if you don't help him understanding the healthcare system or finding affordable housing. It's like one problem leads to the other, and it's just like a big domino effect. And, and I learned like I'm very thankful basically being in this organization, especially because I was exposed to different branches of how organizations fight poverty and at the same time different branches or perspectives of poverty. On one side we have housing, people getting evicted and then not be able to find affordable houses. And when you think about affordable housing, or at least this is a stigma that I also had before I got here. When you think about affordable housing, you think maybe ghetto places or the projects or really dangerous, not very safe places. But what foundation community like offers is basically affordable housing that look beautiful, that look sustainable, and they look really decent. Like I got the chance to go into a few open houses of a lot of apartment complexes, and I was just amazed that to think that such beautiful housing are affordable. That I was telling myself that I wish I was poor to live in these places. And in our side, also I got to work a lot of in outreach with finances. Basically, just I took a course of financial coaching. Basically, just one-on-one conversations with clients, which I didn't get to do for obvious reasons. I'm not qualified, but I got experience to seeing how other coaches work, how they address like financial issues with clients, because definitely poverty, especially when it comes to finances, it shouldn't be like an individual issue. It shouldn't be something like you got into this hole, you dig yourself out somehow. Which basically they just give support, they give like advice and give like a way of empowering you on making the right choices. Like somebody you can really talk to about finances, especially finances being such a, especially money, I guess, such a taboo topic. Like you don't talk about money openly to other people. And I guess one of my favorite branches also about financial community was education, college, because I feel like um, education is such a important key to just destroying poverty, just to ending poverty, just educating people. And a great way is just going to college, which is easier said than done, especially when it comes to such a high cost of college. But it's so cool that they basically foundation community provide financial help. They provide scholarships, and they basically just teach you how the college system works. They basically it's like one stop go to understand what you need to be ready. And they offer many programs that one of my favorites, which I work with in the application process, is called Free Minds, which is basically for the students who haven't been in school for more than 2 years, so who are from another country, who got maybe their degree in some other country. And as a lot of you may know, if you get your degree in another country, a lot of time doesn't even work here, doesn't count, or most of employers don't accept it. So they basically give you a chance to basically to get on track, like to understand how it is to be in college while you don't have the risk of losing or harming your own GPA, which I think is pretty cool. And working in the application process was very enlightening, especially because I got to read people's experiences and their essays and seeing the amount of experiences that they have and all those hardships that they go through, that you really realize that these hardships are not like very distant. They are not like super uncommon. They are like more often happen more often than we think. We just don't get to see them. And I don't know. I think it's kind of cool to work in this organization. Like there's so many ways to fix poverty, and as I said, systematic problems require systematic solutions. And yeah, I think it's great.
Thank you very much.